Okay, so yeah, we'll be talking about doing operations on sets more next time, but the complement of a set, yeah, we start with, let's just say we're doing the complement of set A, and this pertains to any set N. So the complement of set A. It's just the set of elements that are not in A. Hence the word complement. It complements set A. It's the set of elements not in A. Now this is where the universal set comes in handy, because if we had to list everything not in a set, you know, that could get quite large. But you know, we're comparing it. We're in the universal set, okay? So it's a set that's not in A, but it's in the universal set U. Okay? So we're comparing it to that universal set. And the complement of set A is denoted this way. This is the way they do it sets. A with a little mark above it there. All right, so let's do one here. So let's say the universal set is 1 through 10. Set A is 2, 5, 8, and 9. And so A complement, the complement of set A, the way we read that, A complement, would be what? Well, it's what's not in A. So A's got 2, 5, 8, and 9. The universal set's 1 through 10. So that's what is under consideration here. And so A complement is just what's not in there, right? So we don't have the 1. So it's in the complement. We don't have the 3 and the 4. 6 and 7 and 10. So it's everything that's not in A. Okay, fairly simple. Might sort of say the opposite. Think of it as the opposite there. Okay? And you know, you don't have to have necessarily a name. If I said, all right, so what is this? Let's go. How about 1, 4, 7, 10? Put the complement outside of that. Yeah, that's just saying whatever's inside those braces, do its complement. So what's the complement of that 1, 4, 7, 10? Well, again, using that as our universal set, what's not in there? That's the complement. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. That's all. So you don't, I mean, you can't have something like that too. So, and you know, change your universal set. That'll change your complement and all that as well. But one thing. All right. So you know, the tricky things. We get some trickier things going here, but that's not too tricky. But what would this one be? The empty set complement. Well, it's what's not in the empty set compared to the universal set. So what's not in the empty set? Well, there's nothing in the empty set. So what's not in there, again, compared to this universal set? 1 through 10, right? Or we could just say the universal set, right? Okay. So those might be the trickier of the bunch, but that's not too bad. Is that all right? Any question or concern on that? Let's see if there's anything else should notice here. I think that's pretty well it for these sections anyway.